Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about ticker symbol SNDL, which is for Sundial growers cannabis sector stock. Previously, I made few videos on this particular stock. We gained some quick profit, then the stock price came down with the overall sector, and currently I see the share price is consolidating within a range. So I want to make this quick video to share one news that their earnings are coming, at the same time what is the price movement and what we are expecting. Maybe we are getting ready for next leg up, so stay tuned till the very end. And if you like this video useful, and then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to hit the like button. So if you go to their website, and especially after the investor and parts, and then you can get like all the information you necessarily all the information you need to know when you invest for a company. One news came this morning at 7 o'clock that the Sundial growers to announce full year and fourth quarter 2020 financial result on March 17. So this is something, keep that in your watch, because sometime before the earning, like there is a run up in anticipation of something or some kind of guidance or some kind of new partnership. If you want to see their previous financial result, then you can go to their website. You can see how they performed previously, and you can see their Q1, Q2, Q3, everything. But in general, like this is what you can see. Let's see quickly from Yahoo that what how they did. Their earning was terrible, like they missed each and every quarter. So do not be very hopeful about their earning. So but just this is the news I want to share with you. Most importantly, I want to show you the price action. So what happened today, you can see that all the cannabis sector is stock. This is ACB. We had a run up this morning, then gradually we came down. Same thing for CRON. We opened up, then we came down. Same thing for Tilray. We started up, then we came down. So Sundial, the same, we went up, we came down, and we finished the day around 2.2% up. And currently after hour, I see there is no movement at 7:34 Eastern time. So when I look at a weekly chart, you can see that around like around 2020, beginning of 2020, the stock was trading around $3. It was even higher before, but I'm not going there. So $3, then it came all the way down. It came up to like 19-20 cents. Then starting from like November 2020, the stock started going up on a weekly chart. You can see green candle, and we have two big green candles followed by two red candle. And we know that last 2 weeks the market was very bearish, so we had a red for almost every stock, right? So these two red candles are nothing wrong with this particular stock. This is for the overall market as well as for the overall cannabis sector, so this is good. So when I look at this on a weekly chart, it looks good. Now let's move at daily, and you can see that what's happening. So we came down, which is okay. Then last week, I think Wednesday, the market was so bad, it came all the way up to like 1.13 something, then it bounced up. Then next 5 days we are trading between 1.3 and 1.65. so we tried to push up 1.65, came down. Today again we tried to go up, we hit around 1.5, we came down. So it seems like we are trying to consolidate around this area, right? So as long the share price is consolidating around this area, which is around 1.3 to 1.6, then this is good for the stock, because once we get some real solid support, then we can start pushing higher and higher. And you guys all know that the government is working to legalize cannabis stock like federally, right? So whenever the news will come, then all the cannabis sector stock, they will pop up. But it's good to see they are consolidating and they are not going too much. And also like today, like we moved between 1.3 and 1.5. 1.5 is another resistance, but look at the support 1.3. it looks like this is a strong support. If we break this strong support 1.3, then we can come up to 1.1 where we came once. But you see there is a long wick, it means buyers are pushed in and they bought the stock. If we can cross 1.5, then we can go up to 1.65, then we have 1.9, and we have 2.24, and there is more upside, like then 3, 4. I'm not going there, but I'm just looking at the near term resistance, 1.9 and 2.25. I think before my next video we will not hit 2.25, so that's good. The RSI and MACD, you can see that the RSI is also like moving sideways, which is neutral around 50, which is good, and it is slightly curling upward, which is good. Also, you can see that the MACD, the blue line, is now came down, and probably it is curling. You can see the red became like lighter red, and it might become green after a few days, so it might reverse. Same thing, and the RSI will go up. At the same time, the stock price can go up, and it can make a U-shaped recovery, which can be possible. And I'm expecting before March there should be some before March earning there should be some movement, because if there is a movement, then I might take some profit, because earning I'm not very much confident about the earning, but maybe during the earning there can be some good news. One other important thing I want to bring to your attention, that this is a 1 hour chart, and this is a 1 hour chart. You can see that we are also forming a triangle here where the support is around 1.3, and the black line is the upper side of the triangle. So we are trying to hit that black line, came down, same thing for back-to-back 3 days, and I think for next 1 or 2 days maybe we will move around this area, and two things can happen. We can either break this particular resistance here and start going up, which will be the U-shaped recovery I said, or the worst case, we can break and we break this support and we come back to $1.1 resistance. So I'm not saying that we will go up, but there is also a possibility that we might come down. So keep an eye on this support and resistance and this particular line here. So if it breaks 1.3, then the next support will be 1.1. so if you want, you can set some limit buy order, because last time you can see like there were some heavy buyers, they bought the stock at 1.1. so if it comes to 1.1, I think it will bounce back from that particular line, or the bull case is like we will just break and we will go higher. So anyway, my friends, oh, one other thing, my favorite thing, if you want, I can just quickly show you the option. So let's see the option prices for Sundial. It should be very cheap. If you want to give the stock a lot of time, choose something July 16, and you can see the calls are not that expensive. The $1 strike, the bid is only 0.7. It means by July, if the share price goes to 1.7, it will be in profit, and currently the share price is 1.4, so 1.7 is not that far. The delta, I don't know the delta. I need to see the volatility and Greek in order to see the delta. Let's see the delta. For $1, the delta is 80, which is very, very good. For $1 movement in share price, you will get $80, right? So this is a really good one. And this one has a 93 delta, but you are paying 0.94. In other words, if for 0.5 strike, your break even is around 1.44, the stock price is 1.38. So it looks like the best one to choose, because the delta is 93, and also for one contract you are just paying $94. Anyway, my friends, the whole purpose for this particular video is to show you the price movement and what we are expecting in next few days, and also how can we all get some quick benefit. If you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and take care, my friends. Peace.